Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Dart programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about abstraction. Now in today's tutorial we are going to discuss Mixin. In Dart, a Mixin is a way to reuse code in multiple classes without using inheritance. It allows you to add functionality to a class without extending it. Mixins are a powerful tools in Dart for code reuse and composition, especially when you want to share behavior across multiple classes without creating a deep class hierarchy. Now let me open VS Code and show you practically what is Mixin. Here first of all let me create a Mixin. Now we can create Mixin by using keyword Mixin. You can see here for example its name is animal. You can give it name same like class, and you can create functions inside this same like class. Here let me create a function eat, and inside this let me print animal is eating. Now let me create a class here. Class name is dog for example. Now I want to use my animal mixin inside my dog class. For this purpose, there are two methods. First method is using keyword with. Keyword with. Let me use keyword with. You can see here with. Here I can use my mixin name like this. Now simply let me create object of dog, my dog class like this. Now here by using object of dog class I can access eat function. You can see here I can access eat function of my mixin animal like this. You can see if I run it. Here you can see it is printing animal is eating. If there is any variable inside mixin, let me create variable and give animal1 for example. Here I can access dog dot, you can see name. If I want to print dog dot name, you can see here if I click run, you can see it is printing animal1. You can see we can access variables and functions of Mixin by using with keyword. We can also override methods of Mixin. Here for example there is a method eat. I can override this function or method. If you click eat EAT and click, you can see here it automatically created function. Here I can print dog is eating. You can see after that line it automatically created super.eat. It means we can use super keyword by using Mixin. Now if I click run, here you can see it is printing. First of all it is printing dog is eating. Then it is printing animal is eating. Let me remove other statement here. Again run it. You can see it is printing and dog is eating and animal is eating. When we create object of dog class and call eat function, it call that function. You can see this is function inside my dog class. This is override function. It means this function is already available in its parent or its mixin, and we are just overriding this function. Now inside this function there is only one statement, dog is eating like this. If you see here super.eat, this statement is used to call this function inside my mixin animal. If I remove super.eat, it will only print dog is eating. It will not print animal is eating. Here you can see because super keyword is used to call parent class. If you want to access any property of parent class or parent mixin, you can use super keyword. So this was a first method by using with keyword. Now let me show you with on keyword. There is also another method to use mixin. You can see this is my animal Mixin, and we can use it anywhere in our program with any class. Let me show you with another class by creating another class cat by using with animal. You can see there is no error, we can use it. And also let me copy and paste same Mixin like this, name it as animal2, animal2, animal2 like this. Now if I want to use my animal and animal2 both Mixins inside my same dog class, I can use here. You can use comma animal2. It means we can use multiple magazines inside our single class. It allows us, right? So always keep in mind we can use multiple magazines inside our single class. Now let me remove everything and show you a second way. First of all, let me create an abstract class. There is an abstract class, for example, person. Now let me create Mixin. We can create Mixins for a specific class by using on keyword. Let me create Mixin. For example, there is a Mixin doctor on person class like this. Now you can see this doctor Mixin is only for person class. We cannot use it with any other class, right? Now here let me create a class. So keep in mind we cannot directly use it with person class, right? We can only use it with person class when we extend person class. Here let me create class student, and it extends person, right? You can see it extends person. Now we can use Mixin with this person class, right? Doctor is the Mixin on person. Here we can use with keyword with doctor. You can see here. Now we can access everything inside my doctor Mixin. Let me create something void talking. Here let me print doctor is talking like this. Now here inside my main function, if I create object of my class student like this. Now if I call student dot talking, you can see we can access talking function. Now if I run it, you can see it is printing doctor is talking. So this is very interesting. You can see there is nothing inside our student class. We don't have anything inside our student class or person class. Both classes are empty. There is nothing. But we are using Mixin data. Here you can see our data is inside Mixin and we are using inside our class. So this was the second way to use Mixin to create a Mixin for a specific class. Here let me show you its proof. For example, there is another class person2, for example, person2 class. Now if we try to use person2 class with Mixin doctor, you can see it is showing error. We cannot use it because doctor Mixin is specific for person class. But here we are using person2 class. That is why we cannot use doctor Mixin. In order to use doctor Mixin, here we need to use class person. So this is the use of Mixin. I hope you understand. There is as last thing, we cannot create constructor inside Mixin. Here if I try to create constructor of doctor, you can see it is showing error. We cannot create constructor inside Mixin. I hope you understand what is Mixin and why we use inside our program. So if you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.